As news just coming in, the Law Minister has referred Justice Ganguly's case to the Attorney General. In all probability, it is the final step before the government sends a presidential reference to Pranab Mukherjee. All right, so we'd already told you how the presidential reference has been prepared, and now we're learning that the Law Ministry, in fact, has sent a note to the Attorney General, and it's likely to be the final step before the process to remove Justice Ganguly as the chief of the West Bengal Human Rights Commission is initiated. Justice Ganguly himself so far has refused any comment. The only time that the cameras did manage to catch up with him, he only said that it's no one's business whether he steps down or not. Headlines today's Vedika Sood Sachdeva is with us on the phone line. What are the next few steps expected, Vedika?
Seems to be clear is that there is a possibility, Padmaja, at this point that there will be a presidential reference as far as this case is concerned of Justice A.K. Ganguly. Now, the two options really before the president. One is to directly go ahead with the ouster of Justice Ganguly. The other one is going through the Supreme Court. So what we've got to know is that these are the two options before the president, Pranab Mukherjee. And now with this issue escalating and with Mamata Banerjee writing twice even to Pranab Mukherjee, and now with this matter even going to the Law Ministry as well as the Home Ministry, it seems imminent that in the next few days, Padmaja, these steps will be taken and a presidential reference is imminent in this case.
And while we won't want to second guess what the Attorney General will do, but the centre has made its opinion very clear on the matter, with the Law Minister himself, Vedika, saying that it's imperative Justice Ganguly, given the kind of charges against him, step down from his constitutional post.
Something, Padmaja, even in Parliament till yesterday we heard a lot of voices coming out and demanding the ouster of Justice Ganguly as the WBHRC chief. Now, what we do know is that even within the WBHRC there are voices emerging and there is indecision over what to do next. But clearly, as of now, the matter rests with the Attorney General, and that's the opinion that the Home Ministry is now seeking from him. All eyes will be on whether this will be a presidential reference, and then the ball will be in front of Mukherjee's court. He'll have two options, like I said earlier. One is to go directly with the ouster of Ganguly, or going through the Supreme Court and then going ahead with their decision.
Thanks very much, Vedika. In fact, we're also joined by Kartikeya Sharma now. Kartikeya, what more can you add? What's expected next as far as the steps to remove Justice Ganguly from his post are concerned?
You see, the reason why it has been sent to the Office of Attorney General is because the matter has to have a legal opinion from his office on the presidential reference. The view within the Law Ministry and the Home Ministry is that if there is presidential reference, what sort of judicial scrutiny can take place, and if there is judicial scrutiny, will it stand on its legs? So now AG will give its final view on the matter, and once that is done, it will be referred to the Cabinet for the final decision.
All right, thanks very much, Kartikeya Sharma and Vedika, for joining us on that story.